Today we're talking about two cases that should make every telemedicine and pharma company sit up straight. First, the FTC is investigating Hims & Hers. A lot of you know this. It's a telehealth brand that's beloved by Wall Street, and it tends to advertise and makes it hard for people to cancel, apparently. The second one is the state of Texas. They are suing Eli Lilly, one of the largest drug makers in the world. They're alleging that Lilly bribed providers to push its medications. Now, the first question that comes to your mind should be, well, that's Hims & Hers. That's Lilly. That's not me. But if you're running a direct-to-patient program, you're living in the same world they are. Regulators are drawing battle lines, and you're inside the circle whether or not you like it. Let's start with Hims & Hers. Their model is a classic telehealth, direct advertising, easy-to-access prescription drugs, and a subscription-based approach. It sounds modern, it sounds innovative. The FTC isn't asking whether patients like it. That's not the question. What they're really asking, are patients being misled? Are the ads truthful? Are cancellation practices fair? Do they feel like it's the old gym membership trick? It's easy to sign up, but it's impossible to quit. And that's where the rubber meets the road for DTP programs. Telehealth relies on scale, and scale means advertising. Once you advertise, you step directly into FDA and FTC oversight. One wrong word, safe, risk-free, clinically proven, and suddenly you're facing a warning letter or worse. The FTC does not care if you're disrupting healthcare. They care if you're manipulating patients, and they will adapt and they will investigate you. Let's shift to Lilly. Texas claims that the company bribed providers with things of value to prescribe their drugs. Whether or not that claim is true, the real lesson is that regulators don't see a bright line between commercial and medical anymore. Incentives, payments, even support programs can be reframed as improper inducements. Think about your own patient support initiatives, your DTP loyalty campaigns, your so-called educational outreach. Do they create even the appearance of undue influence? If so, you might be in Lilly's shoes tomorrow. Follow our page on LinkedIn. To clarify when support programs move into inducements, here's the question to ask yourself. How separate are your commercial and medical functions really? Is compliance an afterthought? Or is it baked into your process? If you're truly honest, the answer should be uncomfortable. And that discomfort is exactly what regulators are exploiting. Whether you're a telemedicine startup offering GLP-1s, a pharma company building direct-to-patient cancer programs, or a medical device company, you live at the intersection of advertising law, healthcare fraud, and let's be honest, patient trust. Luckily, there's opportunity here. If you build compliance into your DTP program early, you can move faster and with confidence. It's funny, I speak to a lot of these telemedicine companies. They don't even know to ask these questions. So you need someone who understands what to look for. The companies that thrive are not the ones ignoring compliance. They're the ones operationalizing it. Think transparent advertising reviews, clear patient cancellation policies, firewalls between medical and commercial, and robust documentation of why a program exists. What's the call of action? If you are a life sciences company building DTP programs, don't wait till the FTC or state attorney general knocks. Reach out now to the Kulkarni Law Firm. We help pharma and telehealth companies build compliant, sustainable programs that engage patients without landing in the headlines for the wrong reasons.